Okay guys, this is Unomas again, signing in YouTube. I want to teach you guys another tutorial on Unomas tutorial. The title of my tutorial is this: Unomas tutorial, BC Sinks plus BC Monster plus Hellbox 11 Y Republica style. Okay, triple BC domination. Let's start. As you can see, I've already opened the program needed for this tutorial. So first you must open BC Monster, okay, TCP slave BC Monster. Then after that you must open second BC Sync. After open BC Sync, okay guys, listen very carefully, okay. After opening BC Sync, you must click options, change client to fall, and you must change client to fall to Hellbox, okay. Then after change client to fall, you must spawn client and spawn client to Hellbox, okay. Alright, okay. First open BC Monster, second open BC Sync, third change client to fall, fourth spawn client. After that, Hellbox will automatically appear, right? Right. Then 6, you must change some protocol in here, okay. Options, go to voice, right? bc.yahoo.com, change that to what? Localhost. Change that to localhost and apply, okay. Okay, after doing that, click on the check, go to room, right? 7, go to room, then 8, 8, click check mark. Here goes. I will click check on the icon here, click check icon, and it's connected, as you can see. You can see it's connected, right? Connected. Now I will click in. Talk. There it goes, 1 of 26. So guys, BC Monster plus BC Sinks plus Hellbox is what you can make this BC dominance using BC Monster, BCP, TCP slave. You must clicking the max, you must clicking the scroll, and from 98 you must put this to 171. Put this to 171 here. Here on 171, and there it goes. We have a triple BC domination, okay, using BC Monster, Hellbox, and BC Sync. So